Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the vulnerability of NoSQL injection. Hi, myself Joseph. I work as an associate security consultant at Redfox Security. At Redfox, we do a lot of pen tests. We put a lot of content on YouTube as well as on our website. So if you do want to check it out, you can just surf to redfoxsec.com. And if you do want to visit our YouTube channel, just go to Redfox Security. Over there, we do put a lot of content on offensive security. Specifically, we do a lot of podcast vulnerability videos. How do we exploit them? What are the mitigations for them? You can just check our channel. Yeah, and if you did like the content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as well. So as now that is out of the way, let's get back to our topic, that is NoSQL injection or NoSQL injection vulnerability. So what is NoSQL injection? So when we are talking about NoSQL injection, you should know about NoSQL databases as well. So NoSQL injection is the vulnerability that happens when we are able to query the NoSQL databases by manipulating the user inputs. So whenever when the users inputs are not sanitized or validated in a proper manner, this happens just like any other injection vulnerability. So today we do have a practical demonstration of what we are going to be of the PortSwigger labs. We are going to be unlisted products that are in our website. So you might come across this particular vulnerability in many of the web applications that uses NoSQL databases as their backend database. So yeah, with that out of the way, let's just get into the video. That is the practical demonstration. So over here, I'm just going to be accessing the lab, as you can see. Yeah. So now as the website is loaded, you can see there are a lot of products or services listed over here. So what we are going to be doing in this particular video is we will be listing the products which are not listed over here. So I will just scroll down and show you what I will do is I will just visit each and every endpoints that will be in the URL. I will just show you that once I click. So whenever we try to click on something, you can see the URL filter being changed over here in the above section. That is the category section. So over here you can see that in our URL in the category section, you can see that whenever we click on the GIFs part, it shows us that it is reflected on the URL as well. So when you are testing for NoSQL injection vulnerabilities, be careful about the injection points. So so as we know, this is the injection point right now. So what it typically happens over here is we provide a particular input which is processed in the server side code, which might be not sanitized. So when we are able to put NoSQL queries over here, we might be able to extract data or execute any authentication flow. Not over here, authentication flow. Over here, we can list unlisted products. But by exploiting NoSQL injection vulnerabilities, we can do that as well by passing authentication, listing the unlisted products, or data exfiltration and everything. So over here, let's get back to the video. So over here, we will be injecting our NoSQL injection payloads with which we will be listing the other products which are not listed over here. So over here, when I clicked on all, it showed the entire set of products that are currently listed. So over here, as you can see, if you can count, it's almost 12 products are listed right now. So yeah, so when over here, there are the unlisted products are still not being displayed in this section. We will visit the pet section and we'll put a query, just a code. Just like in SQL injection, we will just put a single code and look for see over here, we can see the error response, that is that it has some MongoDB error. So over here, you can see that there is some sort of MongoDB error, and it displays the local port in which it is running as well. So over here, you can see the error code. So by looking at this, you can get an idea of what MongoDB error it is, and it is using a MongoDB backend database. So with this out of the way, we will create a particular payload which will be always true. That is, we typically use this in Boolean payload. know this as Boolean payload, we will be putting our OR operator, and we will be setting a Boolean which is always true, and which will give the result of true in our NoSQL databases, which will list each and every products in the backend database. So over here, as you can see, the lab has been solved. If you just count the number of products that are being listed, so I think it's greater than 12. See, all the unlisted products have been listed. So over here, we were able to extract the products and the details in the backend server. We can do many sorts of attack from over here. We just found the injection payload vector over here, and yeah, that was the video. Just to so in this video, what we did was we put a NoSQL payload by which we were able to extract the unlisted products. Yeah, this is one of the test cases that we typically perform when we test in our web applications. So yeah, so if you did find this video helpful, don't forget like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any queries or anything, you just list it in our comment section below. Yeah, thank you.